You can see on the back end of eBay, this is live and I'm pulling this data from the eBay account live. £103 right here, £202, £100, £102, £152. On some days, you can see right here, £242, £270 as well. This is new account. I wanted to start a account right from the scratch. Even though I've been a full-time seller from long time now, I've been selling on an eBay platform from past 10 years, but I started this account so I can share this journey with you as a brand new seller. So that's the way you will be able to take a lot of things out from the channel. So I will highly recommend you subscribe to this channel as well. In this video, what I want to talk with you guys is about the products that I'm listing from Wilko and having a really good results. On this account, like new eBay account, so far I'm trying to do drop shipping and a retail arbitrage just to see what are the results in a realistic way, not just making a video about made £3,000 a day or something like that, but just to share everything with you guys, sharing a realistic journey. So make sure you follow and let's jump on to the products now. So the first product that we have right here is on the Wilko. And on the Wilko, we have a t-shirt, which is for £5 only. And this is like a skeleton t-shirt. We got a picture, we got a title already for this one as well. But one thing I would like to tell you that if you just copy the title from here, copy the picture from here, without making any changes, then algorithms nowadays are very smart enough to really figure this out, that you are just copy and pasting. So you wanna your listing to be organic as much as possible. So before I copy the picture from here, I make some changes as well. That's why a lot of you just say that, okay, well, I listed this product and this product is not selling, but I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna go on eBay, I'm gonna show you this product is actually selling. So let's go on to eBay platform and I will show you how much sales is for this product. So here we are on the eBay. You can see the price is $19.99 for this t-shirt and 81 of them already has been sold. So the selling price for this one, as we seen on eBay, is $19.99, and the shipping, we're gonna offer a free shipping as well. And by the way, I'm using eBay and PayPal fee calculator. If you just Google eBay and PayPal fee calculator, it's gonna come up as well. This will go inside a large letter. It's a very light item. And I will put the postage £1 and 10 pence because we need to use packing as well. And as we seen on the Wilko right here, the cost of this item is actually £5. So I'm gonna put £5 as the cost of this item. £11 and 3 pence is the profit margin after selling one item. But as we seen on the listing that 81 of them already has been sold. So I'm gonna do 81 multiply by our profit, which was £11. I'm just gonna put £11, leave the 3 pence on the top as well. By just this one product right here, this made £891, and this is just from Wilko, which the t-shirt we sold it on to the eBay. Let's go on to the second product right here. This is a really good profit margin. So the next one right here, this is a simple sticker onto the Wilko website. You can see this only cost £1. And it's a Wilko window gel, so it's a kind of things that you attach onto the window as well. A lot of people are buying it at the same time. Again, I said I did made some changes in the picture as well. Onto the second, third, I uploaded around 8 pictures with this one as well. So ideally, you wanna upload as many pictures you can. I have a videos where I actually make some changes inside the pictures. So I'm gonna leave that video in the description. Once you're done with this video, make sure you watch that video. You will be able to know how I edit my pictures as well inside a free application. It wouldn't really cost you anything as well. So just to get some sales, you do need to make some changes. But let's go on to eBay and see how much this product is being sold for. Here we are on the website. You can see on eBay The price for this one is £4.96 and 127 of them already has been sold. So as we seen on eBay, this product is being sold for £4.96. We're gonna always offer a free shipping because I'm a big fan of offering free shipping. This is a very small sticker. It's even gonna go in a small letter as well. It's not that thick, it's not that heavy as well. But I'm gonna put the postage for this one 80 pence, just because we're gonna need to use some kind of envelope for this one as well. And the cost of this item was £1. You've seen that onto the Wilko right here as well, was the £1 the cost of item. After that, this product is making £2.23 profit, which is good profit margin considering we sold 127 of them. So we're gonna go calculate that 127 multiplied by our profit margin, that was £2.23. This product makes 283.21. So we are near £1,000 from these two products, which we are simply just taking from Wilko and then selling them on eBay as well. But let's go on to our third product. I'm having a really good success with this third product right here, and this one right here, it's a mirror, and it costs £12 to buy that. Again, I made some changes in the title. I made some changes inside the description as well. This one does require batteries. So what I'm normally doing, because this one needs 3 AAA batteries, I'm actually including the batteries inside as well. Like how many times you get something, you buy something, and then you open that with the excitement and you realize, okay, this gonna need some batteries. So I'm including those batteries, and for that I'm really getting a good feedback for it as well. Batteries are not expensive. You can buy like a lot of them from a Poundland. They are really cheap, but include those batteries inside as well. You're gonna get a very good feedback. But let's go on to eBay and see how much this product is being sold for there. Here we are on the eBay. You can see that the price for this one is £31.59, almost going for the double price, and 36 of them already has been sold. It's a bit expensive item. So here on the eBay PayPal fee calculator, the selling price this one was £31.59. Shipping charge, we're gonna offer free shipping again as well, but shipping cost for this one is little bit expensive because it's a bulky item as well. So by shipping that with Hermes, it's gonna cost around £8 to actually ship that item. And the cost of this item, we've seen that we're gonna put £12 the price for this one. But after that, this product is making £7.25 pence profit, and around 36 of them already has been sold. So we're gonna put 36 multiplied by our profit, which was £7.25, and in total we made around £261 profit with this one. But a lot of people ask me this question as well, and I'm gonna answer this question at the same time. They say, okay, what's happened when you actually get the order for this one? So once I'm doing a listing, let's say for example from a Poundland or from Wilko or from any local store, from Asda as well, I just do the listing by looking at the website. Once I get the order, I don't just go there and buy one item. I buy more than one item. So once I buy more than one item, I will know that next time when I get the order, I don't really have to go again and again. Over the period of time, what's happened is you do realize how many orders you get in a day as well. So once you go there, you need to keep a couple of them in a stock as well. But if the website will offer the shipping, for example, if they can ship directly to the customer and not include the packing inside as well, I just do directly order from the customer, like from the website, and the goods get directly delivered to the customer as well. But in the case of Wilko, I do have to do the posting by myself. But the thing what we have to realize is, like, obviously we are going there, picking up the product and doing the packing at the same time. And the profit margin, like from these products, only 3 products was £1,200, and it took me around 3 weeks to sell these products. So it's worth really doing that kind of work at the same time. But at the end of the day, we do need to realize that ideally when the product will start to sell. You do wanna see a proper supplier for that one and then buy those things in a bulk from that supplier. But you think with that, obviously you have to do the investment for that as well. So if you're not obviously doing the investment, then you do need to spend your time. Either you spend your time, you do more efforts, or you just spend the money, or you calculate your profit as well. But these videos are mainly for someone who is just starting out, not very comfortable with doing a lot of investment, so they can try the product from the local shop, see what works, so they will know for sure if they will go ahead and buy this product from bulk, they can get a good success with it as well. By the way, I'm going to link the video where I do the editing right here as well for the picture, and some more videos right here. If you're looking for like an accountant for your business, or you need a help with the company formation, I'm going to leave the link for Awesome inside the description as well. Make sure you check them out. They can help you with the accounting and bookkeeping.